America's newest sweetheart. Cub fan Krista Dotzenrod was at the game the other day. If you haven't seen the video, it's stunning. She catches a foul ball with a cup of beer and then, at the urging of Cub fans, drinks it from up in Chicago. Krista Dotzenrod. Hey, Krista.
Hey, guys. How's it going?
Oh, my God. The world is in love with you.
I haven't seen the whole video, but do you actually consume the ball as well?
No, I do not. That is sitting in my apartment right now.
Now, it says that you caught the foul ball with a cup of beer. To say that you caught it isn't 100% accurate, is it?
No, that thing fell in there. That was fate.
So describe what was going on. What were you doing?
I was in mid-conversation with my friend, and then all of a sudden I look over. My beer is foaming like crazy, and the people behind me are all yelling at me to chug it. So that's what I did.
At Wrigley Field, they're yelling at you to chug the beer. I find that very hard to believe, young lady. So
that is what happened, the whole section.
So did it feel like somebody bumped into you because of a pop foul into your thing? How did you not drop the cup?
I must have had a vice-like grip on that cup.
Yeah.
I have no idea. I don't know. That cup should have gone everywhere.
Well, what makes sense is you with a vice-like grip on a $9 beer.
Yeah,
I can tell you.
That's very true.
Yeah. What happened on Twitter?
Twitter blew up.
Yeah.
It was insane.
I saw the one, lady at the Cubs game, I love you.
If chugging a beer is all it takes to get a man, then I've been doing this all wrong.
And keep in mind, the people who were seeing you are Cub fans. So you brought a lot of gentlemen out of their mom's basements. After 45 years or so, they come up and they're like, Mom, guess what? There's hope for me after all.
Well, did you see Steve Bartman's Twitter page after that? It was a picture of you catching the ball and everybody with their hands in the air, and his tweet just said, F me.
Dwyer and Michaels in the morning, and the best classic rock all day. 97X.